Okay, welcome back to the channel, MegaWhale team. Thanks for tuning in on a Monday. Again, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin today, doing a little analysis on the short term, primarily on Bitcoin. We've done our long-term analysis already. We're going to be talking about what has happened in the last few days and what has happened since our previous video. I also want to go over at the end some of the video ideas I have coming into the future, specifically for this week. Now, I've got about 4 or 5 different ideas of really awesome, cool, entertaining videos to do this week. And if you want anything else to be done, let me know. And I am also doing another giveaway at 2,500 subscribers. We're going to be doing a giveaway to 5 people at 2,500 subs. So remember, like, comment, and subscribe to enter that. So what we have seen over here is we have seen a rejection. We talked about this rejection in our last video, a strong rejection, which can basically be an invalidated point, completely invalidated, which that triple top happened over here, which was what Wolves of Crypto pointed out. We have broken back into this trend line, into this macro descending channel. And remember, guys, the descending channel is a downward pattern. We are in a downward pattern until we break out and flip a major support zone to, we flip a major resistance zone to support, which could have been this here. We could have gone up, broken out over here, flipped to support, and that would have been a confirmation that we were now in an uptrend. But we have not seen that happen. Instead, we just broke out, got rejected, triple top, smacked back down into this channel. Obviously a very bearish thing to happen. If we take a look at the 7-day chart, we can see how bearish this candlestick was. Incredibly bearish, guys. It is looking very bad for Bitcoin. In fact, we had a retest of that yellow trend line and absolutely rejected from it. All right, guys, we are very much in a downtrend. Don't listen to all these retards on Twitter. I was going through Twitter this morning and I nearly had a heart attack listening to some of these comments people were saying Bitcoin is bullish, Bitcoin is this, Bitcoin's gone 100K. I'm over it. I'm seriously over listening to all these people who think they know everything about the market, but clearly they're just here to milk you guys and use you guys as for profit. Remember, these influencers don't actually care about where Bitcoin goes. They don't actually care about what they're saying. They just want engagement. They just want engagement because they benefit from your engagement. So do yourself a favor and just stop listening to anyone who says or makes claims without proof. Right? Simple as that. If someone's going to make a claim like Bitcoin's on $100,000 or make any kind of claim and does not provide any substantial evidence of their claim, disregard it. Just completely disregard it. Do your own research. Coming back to a chart over here, obviously Bitcoin has lost its short-term trend line. Now the short-term trend line is in fact this trend line here. We can see we have just broken down from that trend line. Of course, this is a bearish sign. Of course, this is not a good thing. This daily candle is going to be very important. If this daily candle closes below this trend line, well, that is basically going to confirm we are heading to 35,000. I know I've been telling you guys we'll probably head to 35,000 if we lost the support, and we are very much in the direction to 35,000. But this will be the confirmation, I guess, you know, the nail in the coffin or whatever you want to say, for us to go down to 35,000. I definitely do not expect us to hold $35,000 if we reach it again. All right, we've had 1, we've had 2, a third retest and support. We're very bullish, but I do not think we'll hold it. In saying that, the $35,000 zone is an incredibly strong support. All right, do not be alarmed. If we bounce from here, we will most likely see a small bounce from the 35,000 zone. It is very unlikely we're just going to go straight down. All right, it's incredibly strong support. We've done videos on the past showing you, in fact, how strong that support is on that log chart, on the Brave New Coin Liquid Index chart. But do expect the price to reach that range if we get that daily candle close below here. So just to validate for all our new viewers, I'm not a bull, I'm not a bear. I simply trade the chart, I trade the pattern, and the pattern is down. If the price gets over $48,000, which is that invalidation point, I will flip to bullish. I will be expecting moves upwards. Until then, my prediction that I have held consistently since way back in early November is 22,000 to 26,000, and I've done many videos proving that and doing analyses to support my claims for that decision. In fact, if we bring up our Telegram 1 second, you can join our free Telegram, of course, on link in the description. We can see this post I made. I'll bring it up on Twitter just over here. I made this a long time ago, which is our top prediction, of course, very much still in play. Of course, we got that bearish divergence, obviously a major long-term trend line, which was a midline between the point of resistance and bull markets on the log scale, and then our prediction of the 200 moving average being hit on the Bitcoin chart in around July. All right, could happen sooner, but our prediction is July. Of course, we were telling you guys 200-day moving average weekly way before anyone was saying it, way before Into the Cryptoverse dude was saying it. All these people, we've been telling you guys since the top. All right, so that's basically that. If you want to join the Telegram, of course, link in the description. In saying that, guys, stay tuned to more videos. I've got a few ideas on videos I want to do this week. We're going to look at, obviously, we're going to do a few more Bitcoin updates and altcoin updates as the week progresses. But I want to do a video on specifically, I've talked about this a little bit in the past, but I want to do a little bit more detail specifically on how the global economy and what will happen in the global economy and how that's going to actually affect altcoins. We've looked a lot about how it's going to affect Bitcoin, and obviously Bitcoin affects altcoin. If Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go down. But I want to talk a little bit more about how altcoins are actually going to respond and react to the current situation. If Bitcoin does drop more, where do we think altcoins in general go? Where do we think the total market cap is going to go? How much blood will we see for these coins? We have seen them drop significant amounts from the all-time high already, and I do think that will drop a significant amount more if Bitcoin continues downwards, but we'll break it down to a little bit more detail. Another video I wanted to do was similar to that, but talking more about the global economy and talking about how that's going to affect the cryptocurrency market as a whole. And I wouldn't mind looking at doing a video on other assets, you know, talking about the housing market, talking about commodities and stocks and obviously more cryptocurrencies, and tie it all in together and talk about that. So guys, if you want to see any of those videos, like, comment just down below which video you would like to see, or if you've got other alternative videos you would like me to do. Of course, I'm always open for suggestions. At the end of the day, guys, I do all these videos to help you guys and benefit, make you guys get some benefit and value from. I don't really do it for my own personal gain. I don't gain anything from these videos whatsoever. So I'm doing these for you guys to, you know, develop your skills and understand, and hopefully take a more educated and, you know, precise and logical and timely decisions on what's happening to the market and how you should react to what is occurring in the market. So with that being said, guys, if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I hope to see you in the next video.